This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Robert David. Conveniently located in Eustis close to downtown shopping, restaurants, and mass transit, this 3-bedroom 2-bath concrete block home would make a great starter home. The split-bedroom floor plan leads into the living and dining area, enhanced by the cathedral ceiling. With sliding door access to the backyard and patio, you are just steps away from a great gathering place with friends to enjoy a barbecue. Upgrades over the recent years include re-roof 2018, HVAC 2016, hot water heater 2023, and new laminate flooring throughout. With a little TLC, this home will be your place to make and enjoy those lifelong family memories. Call today to arrange a showing. For more information, review the details below or contact Robert David at 352-552-3968.